Hey Bricksters and Lego friends, I am here with a little set, not much, it's just a minifigure. It is the I Love Figs set, Emoji Man thing, so made by BricTek. So we're going to build that. I know this one's going to be a real quick video, but should be fun in the meantime. Let's get to the build. Well, this is interesting since you have to build the legs and everything. Oh boy, this is going to be a not so fun project, but let's just see where it takes us, okay? Okay, so the Emoji Head, we can snap that together. It's pretty big, and it's printed too, so that's kind of cool. And it is the one that's in the box, so we know that if you get the box, that's the one you get, because they have different ones and they're right on the box. So anyway, so that's that. So yeah, okay, so we got a one piece here for the bottom. Let's try to figure out what's what here. Okay, so that's got to be a leg. They're as hard to get together as some of the older Mega Bloks figures when you had to build the Mega Bloks figures, you know. Yeah, so not much fun in that. These are of a hard, shiny plastic. So let's see. The hands are a little bit bigger than standard minifig hands. They don't want to go in all the way. Oh boy. Standard shape though. Everything is a standard shape, so keep it standard, I guess. Now that that's done, the head can go on them, like so. But what on God green earth is all this other parts for? There's like all these other parts. I don't know. Oh, I think I do know now, maybe. Yeah, okay, these are accessories. That is an accessory, so it looks like a clip, so you can put this around the head or back of the minifigure head, like such, and you can put them on paper or a box or something like that, which is kind of cool. Okay, so that's kind of cool to have. They also have just this plain piece right here that you can put the head on and put the emoji on, so that's cool. Okay, so that's the second accessory. This other accessory is for, you would put that piece back on, this on top of it, the emoji on that, and maybe put it over the top of your laptop, something like that, the rim of your laptop, and have them look at you, type of thing. Now the last accessory is this one here, and believe it or not, what that one's for is if you just want to do this. Let me show you. You take a pencil and you put your emoji thing on the top of your pencil, so you have the emoji pencil. Emoji pencil, I don't know. So that's what that's for. So there's 4 little accessories with your little man or your little minifig. So in a nutshell, that is the build and review for the I Love Figs happy face emoji. Now there are different ones here you can get. There's 6 different ones. There's like the standard smile one, the love one with the 2 love hearts, the cry emoji, the wink emoji, the sunglass emoji, and the music singing emoji. So they're all pretty cool. If you want the different emojis, check them out. www.brictech.com. That's BricTek.com. I don't know. It says Facebook too if they sell them on there or not. But I got this at the dollar store for $2. So not likely I'll be buying the rest of them because I just like that wink guy. So anyway, that is a quick build and review. Talk to you guys again in the next video. Wink, wink. Wink, 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 wink.